Uh-huh. I bet you saw the word one and the other word done and was like, is she gonna be able to do this? Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. Today we're going to try a new product to me from the Rosemary collection of product Junkie Naturals. Today we're trying the Rosemary Matcha Creamy Hair Milk. And let me tell you right now, first off, this smells good. Now, reading the directions, it does say apply hair milk to hair in sections, style as desired, can also be used as a light styler for twists and braid outs, gives a soft and fluffy hold. So my hair had dried out. I did re-wet it, but now it's looking like I didn't really re-wet it. But trust me, it really is damp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Rosemary Matcha Creamy Hair Milk for a twist out. So I had some oils come out, and that's normal. Separation can happen during shipping. And while it's just sitting there, let me just squeeze this up a little bit. See if I can kind of mix in this product because this is a creamy hair milk. It's not all watery or anything. So as you can see right now, I'm trying to get it out. And it is, in fact, creamy. If you were ever wondering, this will let you know definitely it is not watery. It's creamy. See that? Yes. And there goes another picture to the side just to let you know how creamy it is. Go ahead, section off this hair. Like I said, we're just going to go ahead and do a twist out. I'm only going to use this product itself. Yes, I love how super smooth it is. I kind of wish the top was just one of those ones where you click it and you can squeeze it out like lotion or maybe a pump. But then either way, since it's so creamy, you're gonna want to get every single last bit of the products. And I might be most times, when you're trying to get the last bit of a product, I don't know about y'all, but I end up cutting open the container. I'm not playing. I'm trying to get every little bit of it. So my hair just ran that pick through it, no problem. This is clearly giving me the slip that I need. I think I have enough. I'm not super heavy-handed with my products. I don't know if you are or not, but I'm not, and that's just my own personal preference. And so I'm going to go ahead and twist away. This is going to be a kind of a chunky twist out. I'm going to let you guys watch really quick here. Oh, before I go, let me tell you some of the ingredients. It has aloe vera juice, rosemary extract, matcha green tea extract. We have babassu oil, flaxseed gel, castor oil, just nothing but goodness. Cocoa butter, beetroot extract. Okay, guys. One thing is, I am a little upset because everything I did, the takedown, guys, I lost that footage. I'm so sorry. But I do have pictures and a little bit of video of the results. Would I purchase this product again? Of course. This is what I'm used to at Product Junkie Natural Products. I am pleased. My hair is soft, moisturized. I had a tiny bit of a hold, but it actually is super fluffy. Exactly what it says. It gives a soft and fluffy hold, which is true. So I'm pleased. Let me know if you tried this product. Either way, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.